YouTube. Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube live trading session. Today is our Thursday and we want to trade gold. We only trade XAUUSD. So I'm going to share my trading view chart and we're going to start with the top-down analysis. I'm going to review the trades we've taken throughout the week. So you see our progress. Like I promised, we are going to be tracking everything. This is my third day trading live. Yesterday we had a live trade and we got hit, putting us at a second loss in a row throughout this week. We have 2 wins, 2 losses in the VIP premium signal group. So let's see today's trade. I'm still waiting for the confirmation. If you want to see, head over to YouTube. YouTube has a very nice quality. And TikTok is always going to ban us when we show charts because it thinks we are scammers or something. So if you're on TikTok, just ask questions. Do you do physical teaching? No, I don't do physical teaching. I only do online. If you want to learn from me, just DM me on TikTok or join our Telegram community. You'll get access to the mentorship. So here's our chart. We want to buy gold above this zone. So if gold pushes above 4218, then I'm going to start sketching for buys. Yeah. So what are you guys, what's your analysis on gold? My ring light. Another thing, next year we have a traders tournament. You know, we always have this tournament every year. We had we had our tournament this year in January. It was at Equinox. Now we have another one next year. We haven't confirmed the date yet, but these are the jerseys. This was the winning team for the last tournament. Yep. So if you guys have any questions, you can ask. We are trading XAUUSD. I don't know why it's. Maybe we need to mirror it. We need to stop mirroring it so you guys can see the XAUUSD. This was the winning team. Isaac Zhao, how are you doing? YouTube guys aren't seeing the shot. This is it. XAUUSD. So if you want to meet me, maybe we're gonna meet on the next tournament. I'm fit, brother. Isaac Zhao, you fit. Baby Boo, how are you? What's your analysis on gold? Waiting for it to hit order block and buy. I got a mark. Okay, that's nice. So I'm either gonna buy above where you see that arrow above here, or when it retraces back down, then I'll buy. So my overall bias is buys. You get? How can we join the tournament? Yeah, I'll communicate. Tournament is not now, it's next year. Second quarter, something like that. Yeah. I don't trade gold for security purposes. Baby boo, why don't you trade gold? You're not trusting your emotional control. You're not good at managing emotions. Maybe just say that. But if you're still a beginner, then that's a nice thing. But gold is a very nice pair to trade, especially if you're good. What level is that? 4228. Let me check Agava. Yeah, it's 4221, 4218. That's my buy level. And then if you trade traces, it's 4200. Vidola is better than you. I appreciate you. Tell Vidola to pull out his track record. I have a track record and I'm trading live every day consistently. Henrik 444. Vidola is a nice trader. He's my friend actually. So if you want to bring up something, this is not the time. I'm good at JPY pairs. Please help us make physical class. Just Perry. Next year we are making. Actually, we are building up our offices, still setting up everything. It's going to be a surprise. So don't worry, the guys who want physical classes, very soon we are going to be having you at our physical location, which we are setting up. Yeah, guys, share the live. If you're on TikTok, share it on your story. If you're on YouTube, share this link in your community. And if you're on TikTok, first go and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the first thing you need to do after joining. You go and subscribe to our YouTube. Share the link. Share the link. Share the link. Vidola Yani. He's a trader. These guys are asking stupid questions on faceless accounts. If you ask a stupid question again, I'm going to block you. I promise. I'm going to block you. Yeah, we're not here to talk about traders, other traders. We're just here specifically for trading. I don't know why you just bring up such an abrupt question out of blue, unless you're mentally disturbed. Because we're here for trading. I'm not talking about any other trader apart from me. Yep, I don't need to. So if you're here, we aren't talking about anything. Totally mukuba lwali nti oba we're going to talk about this trader or this trader. We're just strictly talking about trading and what helps us. Yep, that's what I want you guys to know. If you join this live, it's strictly education. If you ask a question outside trading, I'm going to block you. I promise. I'm going to block you. And don't force me to do such a thing because I'm a nice guy. Yes, for my new followers, thank you for the follows. If you follow me, make sure you go on YouTube and subscribe as well. Yep. Bro, first analyze and we see where we can take buys. Isaac Zhao, head over to YouTube. There is the analysis and the direction already. Just head over to YouTube. Let me show you. So that's our YouTube. That's our YouTube. Just head over to YouTube, subscribe, search FXAU. We have a buy setup. The buy setup coming in very soon. Thank you for the follow, Mr. Zhao. Thanks for the likes. Collins, thank you for the like. Aura joined. Make sure you ask questions, because if you don't ask questions, you're not going to learn. So ask questions where you don't understand. So first, as usual, I always show you my live account and give you progress on how we stand. So I'm going to show you, I have a live account. I'm trading $10K live account. I've been trading it since November, trying to take the signals I take in the premium group on that account. And it's the same account I'm using on my FX book for you guys. So if you want to check out my verified trades, just head over to the link in my bio, go into my Telegram community, then you'll see it. Oh, it's on YouTube in the description of this very video, the My FX book. Is it working? Agaba, if you're on YouTube, you can check for me if the My FX book is working. So if you're on TikTok and you wanna subscribe to our YouTube for a better experience, head over to your YouTube, search FXAU, subscribe, keep the notifications on. Let me show you the account. Still opening up my MT5 here on the MacBook. How do you see the difference between a demo and a real account? Basically, the difference is the wallet on some brokers, but the broker I'm using doesn't provide a wallet. But you don't need to know if it's a demo or real account. What you need to know is the trader behind. Yeah, is he a real trader or a fake one? How do you spot a real trader? There's a video on YouTube I did with Simply Brani. You can go and check it out. That video with Simply Brani, we explain how you can spot real traders and fake ones. So for you to spot a demo account, I don't know, maybe you can check the wallet. Yeah, you can check the wallet. So we had reached a profit of $3,000 on this account. But yesterday we had lows. I was trading live and gave out that setup, which ended up hitting us. So if you want to see the results, the history, I'm on YouTube currently, and I'm going to present this in a few. Yeah, where's my MT5? Bro, I don't see it. Why isn't it showing? But is my voice clear? Is my voice loud and clear? I don't want to be talking like, okay, it's here. YouTube, are you seeing the MT5? YouTube, you should talk to me, YouTube. YouTube chat. Hey, no one on YouTube chat. Guys, drop the comments, the likes. I'm not like alone. At least TikTok. Are we buying using order block for entry or support and resistance? We are using market structure and then refining our entries using smart money concepts. That's what we use for entries under M5, M15. How to spot fake ones? Go on YouTube, search FXAU. You'll see our videos. What's the YouTube names? It's FXAU. FXAU. It's literally here at the top. Here. This is the same thing you need to search. Are we using order block for entry? So that's my account. I deposited 10K a few months back, and now we are sitting at a profit of 3K. I don't want to withdraw this money. I want to grow it, to compound it for my investors. I'm targeting really big investors. So I'm showing this 10K account, targeting investors with 100K to 100K, because that's my goal. My first goal is risking 20K next year. So I don't know how I'm gonna do it. 20K per trade. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm already on a journey of doing it. Just tracking my trades on a real account, sharing it out to people that it works. So that's the only way for you to get the big investors. And also, I'm trying to scale my prop farms as well. If the prop farms don't work, then the investors will do. But I have to hit that goal next year. That's one of my first goals. And yeah, we'll have to celebrate if we hit it, because you guys have been here with me. You've seen the journey. So these are the trades I've taken. You can go to custom period. If you check the last 3 months. So for the last 3 months, these are the trades I've taken, and this is the profits floating on the account. You have $2,785 made. Of course, we have losses, we have losing streaks, we have winning streaks, like these reds here. This is a very huge losing streak. If you want to see what I'm presenting, head over to YouTube, search FXAU. Yeah, you search FXAU, you'll see the account. It's a live account on HFM. You can go and see the video. We have so many people at the live right now. So search FXAU, subscribe, keep the notifications on. You're going to see the account. These are the profits we've made. So we have the losses and the profits. See, my biggest win was 1,200. So let me go and check for the past week how much I've made. Custom, we see how much I've made for the past week. We go to the last 3 months, then last week, not so. I made $500 last week. 500. This week it's still moving. The week is still on, though we've had back-to-back consecutive losses. The trades we took on Monday, these are the trades which brought us up for the week. But now we've had 2 back-to-back losses. We're not scared. We're still up for the week. So we're not scared. Like I told you guys, you need to concentrate on the results after. You need to concentrate on the results after like a week or a month, like the outcome from a series of trades. You just don't need to consider the outcome of just one trade. You just need to consider the outcome, to look at the outcome after a series of trades. So this is what I'm considering. I always look at 10 trades. So every 10 trades I complete, then I review and check my performance. If it's a losing streak, then I need to be aware of it. If it's a winning streak as well, I need to be aware of it. I journal, I review, reflect on my results. The overall goal is just to keep this account growing in a very long period of time. I need to see the curve going up, because that's what investors like. Investors don't want you to make money today and blow it the next day. They want to see that consistency, making 1%, 1%, 1% every month for like 12 months. That's what an investor likes. They would invest in your money because they see you're profitable. You're going to grow their money in a very, very long period of time. You're not focused on the short-term gains, because if we shift our focus from short-term to long-term, that's when we become profitable. Can you help me to find a strategy? I don't know what strategy you're currently using, but the advice I always give out to people is you need to first get a proven system. Like, reach out to any mentor who is profitable, They help you teach you that system because it's already it's already having a proven edge, and apply that edge. Okay, learn and extract your edge from the concepts you learn from him, and then backtest it. That's what I mean by extracting your edge. Backtesting it. By backtesting, I mean going back into time and start tracking your system to see how it performed. Let's say in 2018, how it performed in 2019. Collect all those trades in 2018. A year can have like 300 something days. So on average, we can have like 500 trades a year if you're someone who's not going to be trading all the time. So you need to collect all those 500 trades. And for me, currently, I have collected over 2,000 trades because I always backtest every day. I backtest every single day. I never miss out on backtesting. That's why maybe I've improved because, consistency doesn't lie. If you keep on executing the same things consistently, with time, it's going to blow up and it's going to work like magic. I don't know how to explain it, but that's what I'm on right now. So for you to become like me, to execute flawlessly, to produce these results, you need to have a different mindset. That's the first thing you need to have, a different mindset from all the traders around, because if you still have that same exact mindset like these other traders who are unprofitable, you're going to stay in the same exact bracket like them. You're going to stay unprofitable. You're not going to evolve. But if you start thinking outside the box, yeah, because if you don't stop thinking like the way you're thinking right now, because I know your minds are messed, you're always focused on making money. That's the first thing you do if you enter the markets. You want to make money because, yeah, money is the end goal. We're all here to make money, but that's a poor mindset in this risky business. In any risky business, you don't need to have grade. If you have grade, then you're going to lose. But if you can control that grade and execute what you have to do, then you're going to become profitable. Yep. If you need any advice, you can ask. I'm here to answer questions as we are waiting for our trade. So that's my performance. I can go ahead and show you my FX book as well. Ooh. Let me show you my FX book. But the link is in description of, you can check this video's description. On YouTube, head over to YouTube, search FXAU, you'll find us. Make sure you subscribe, keep the notifications on. How are you? What strategy do you use? I use Smart Money Concepts. Search FXAU on YouTube if you want to learn my strategy. Let me share. So, my FX book. Oh, this is it. So this is our system. It hasn't updated yet. It was last updated 09. So yesterday's trades aren't updated yet. We have 28% gain. The daily gain is 0.7%. So that means we make like 0.7% every day on average. Monthly gain is 25%. Drawdown, I've reached a drawdown of 16% on this account. Okay, that's the maximum drawdown. This week we're up plus 6%, but we lost yesterday. We're up like 4. This month we're up 4%, but we lost yesterday. We lost like 2%, so we're up like 2.9% for the month. This year we're up 28.55 just because we just started tracking last month in November. Let me show you the monthly. So we started tracking in November. This is December. So let's give it time. Let's give it like more 6 months for us to get the good results. Okay, we can't see trade, bro. presenting. I don't know why you can't see. Trader Sakolina. You're not seeing. Hey, I have viewers on YouTube. Can you please reply to me if you're seeing or not? If you're seeing what I'm presenting. Henrik 444 from man, it's good. Where did you learn your strategy and where did you learn it from? How are you already explained? I recommend you guys to learn from me. I don't recommend anyone else. If you want to learn, and if you want to learn quicker, actually, because I'm a good teacher, I'm going to teach you and you'll learn quicker because I know exactly what you want to learn. Can you give us a hint on a possible trade this week? On possible, if you want a hint, no, we are live trading. Head over to YouTube, search FXAU. You're going to see. Let me share our setup. See, overdo observes. You can see. Setup. The setup, we are waiting for buyers. Let me show you. Yep, we are waiting for buyers. Increase brightness. This is the YouTube live. If you want to trade with me, then you can head over to YouTube. Yes, we are live trading. Head over to YouTube. Search FXAU. FXAU. That's the live trading. That's the live trading on YouTube. We have like 7 guys. Guys, go and make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe if you don't want to miss out on anything. This December price action is doing me bad on entries. Yeah, of course, you need to take it slow. Yeah. Have a limit on the trades you take. You don't just execute every trade you see. Yes. Yeah. Actually, you do this through thorough backtesting. Through backtesting is when you find your edge, is when you find your A plus setups, because you would never know if this is an A plus or not A plus if you don't backtest, unless if you are forward testing or if you're someone who loves journaling a lot. It's when you can find that. If you love journaling. Thank you for the follow. If you follow me, make sure you go and subscribe on YouTube as well. Search FXAU just here on YouTube. Also, let's like, bro, let's get this to 10K. 10K likes. Or is it still at that? Really don't know. So, guys, if you invested 10K, there's this tweet. Let me read it. Okay. I'm going to read it. If you invested 10K, I'm going to read it in a few. So we're still waiting for our setup. That's H1. I'm going to alert you on when to enter. If you don't want to miss out, just in case we are not live, I always provide these setups daily in my group on Telegram, my premium group. For you to join the premium group, join the Telegram community, you'll get access to the premium group. Yep. It's not free. I don't want you to come to me that it's you Justin hit me up with an XNS shirt for real. Man, I don't know where to get it from. Maybe this, I can hit you up with a jersey. We have a tournament next year, so make sure you get a team when it's early. I'm going to start pushing the tournament next year in January, and we are going to set a date as well, because next year I have a lot of events. I have to go to Mbarara, I have to go to Mbale, I have to go to Arua. I have a lot of people to meet there. But yeah, here in the Central, it's going to be a tournament, a very huge tournament like the one we had last year. But last year it was the first tournament we had, so that's why it was kind of fun, but not so much organized. But the second version is going to be organized, and yeah, it's going to be a very nice experience. If you're a trader, or if you're a beginner, you want to meet traders, because most of the traders will come and meet in that same exact position place, and it's going to be like a meetup. Yeah, it's going to be like a meetup where you're gonna meet your traders, your favorite trader, something like that. I want to show you my can you guys see my account? Yeah. So we're about to execute our trade in like a few minutes. So if you want to join me, prepare your account, head over to YouTube, search FXAU. I'm going to provide with the entries, exits, risk management, and trade management. Like the volatilities and all that shit, bruv. Man, I don't. You ever traded with the Rev? Yeah, I do trade with the Rev daily, on a daily. I just don't show you guys, but because I started trading on the Rev synthetics. If you can remember very well, we used to trade boom 100, crash 100, step index VIX 75. Then my favorite was VIX 75 for 1S. Another one of my favorite was VIX 100. That thing was so volatile. VIX 100. Who remembers it? VIX 100, VIX 100, VIX 100. That was a nice pair to trade. What do you guys trade? You can jazz me. You guys can jazz me on what pairs you trade. Because me, I'm only gonna trade gold. Guys, sorry. Hey, you have first of me and reduce the light. So guys, we're about to buy. We are about to buy gold. Hey, hey, if you want to live trade with me, XAUUSD, just tap in this live and let's make money. Let's make money. Yeah. So I'm about to give you guys an entry confirmation. Let's head over to M5 because price is currently holding above our line. We have like 6 minutes.
You don't even know what I really gotta go.
Gold is retracing. Nashyira tekyatedera so konyambeko giteterese. Does not work. It has worked. No, that doesn't work. That doesn't charge it.
Over here we sit.
Yes, we are live again on TikTok. Tap the screen, head over to YouTube, search FXAU. You know, trading is a game of waiting. Now that we are waiting for entry, I'm going to share the screen of my MT5. I'm going to share my MT5. If you're on TikTok and you want to see what we do, head over to YouTube, search FXAU, subscribe, keep the notifications on. We are buying gold. We do trade live every day, just in case you know. Give me the likes, TikTok. Give me the likes. And promise to give me more likes. When we win today, because me, price action is not on my side. Morris, price action is not on your side, but it is on my side. I'm really sorry for that. If it's not on your side, I'm really sorry. So we have 1 minute for us to buy. I don't know what lot size I'm gonna use. What the? Guys, what lot size do you normally use? What lot size do you normally use if you're trading on your account? So me, I have a 10K account and I'm using the max lot size I use is like 0.3. I've ever used lot 1, but that was once. It took me in a drawdown of 16% in just 1 day. I'll never use it again. So we are going to execute buys on gold. I'm already building up my setup here. I'm going to share it with the VIP guys. We have a breakup structure. We have liquidity to take. These early sellers. We want these sellers to be taken out, act as our liquidity for the buys. Liquidity. So I have about 0.09 seconds to buy gold. I'm going to go ahead and buy which lot size. I'm going to use I'm risking $200. I'm going to use 0.17 buy. So I'm in the trade. You can see floating $3 loss. Buying. If you want to see what I'm doing, head over to YouTube. Search FXAU, and you see the setup. You see the MT5 actually. I'm now sharing the MT5 entries and exits. Currently in a loss of $6. I've risked 200. So let me update this with the premium as well. Let me share it to the premium group. If you want to join my premium group, I'm going to be spoon feeding you with these setups just in case I'm not live, so you can avoid missing out. So the whole purpose for this live is to show you that the signals works. So I want to replicate what we do in the premium here on our live stream. As you know, things aren't always good when starting. I have few people here. With time, it's going to be hyped up and it's going to become popular because what I do is real. How is premium? Premium is 30 USD per month. Buy the USD now. SL. Okay. SL at. Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. What? SL is 4203. Then TP is sorry, is 4249. We're about to buy, bro. We're already buying. So let me update my SL in the account. Copy price. I don't want you guys to say, oh, I've missed out. I've given you the signal live. If you're not taking it, it's up to you. So SL. Yep. Take profit. That's take profit 4249.3. Modify order. So my order is modified. Let's wait for the outcome. Najib, hello. Head over to YouTube, search FXAU to get the full live experience. So yes, I'm going to leave it to the YouTube guys. That's how it is on YouTube. Floating minus 45 loss, risk 220. That's my risk. My risk is 220. We are buying. Yep. Working from home. Working from home like usual. Head over to YouTube, search FXAU. You'll get a very nice live experience. Currently floating minus 35. Let me check in my other account how much I'm floating. I have two accounts. Yeah, all my accounts are in the lows. But let's wait. I've set a risk. I'm comfortable with the risk. So now I'm just waiting for the outcome. Devin3800, head over to YouTube, search FXAU, subscribe, keep the notifications on. Because with time, I'm not going to be live trading. Even the live trading experience, I'm not showing you any chats on TikTok because it's restricted. Hey, it has stopped. Hello, it has stopped. No. Mm-mm-mm. It has stopped. Why is it stopping? So guys, on TikTok, I have to go off. Yeah, I'm going to go off and be back in like 15 minutes. So head over to YouTube, search FXAU. The YouTube live is going to be running. Yes, guys, stop the screen if you're on TikTok. We're currently in our trade. And yeah, it's currently still ranging around our entry. So we don't want to tamper with it. But we are going to confirm strong buys above 4218. Let me draw that zone here for you guys. Let me draw that. So you're going to have strong buys above above that blue. If that 1H candlestick closes above that blue zone, then we're in for strong buys. But right now, it might still go back down. It might still go back down. So compare kwa your PC oba togikozesa tewali eriko omuliro. Timeline, we are trading XAUUSD, XAUUSD, XAUUSD. It's currently kind of ranging. I don't know if let me check my FX Forex Factory or my FX book for the news. For this case, I would prefer Forex Factory. It's easy. Today is a Thursday. We have a few red folders, but not on the USD. But 4:30, we have unemployment claims. So you need to keep that in mind. Alexandra Alexis, Kinga. I've granted you free subscription in my VIP premium group. Alexandria, thanks for the likes, bro. I've gifted you a free subscription for 1 month in the premium signals. If you're a trader, just DM me. I'll give you the link. Guys, like might stand a chance to win a free subscription in my premium signals. I want us to get to 10K likes. Hey, Alexandria, keep up the good work. Thank you, man. I like the passion. I like people who motivate me, bring on the energy. I'm also gonna reward you. Then we just you're not asking questions, you're not doing what. Are you really traders? Or if you're not a trader, you can be like, hey, I'm a beginner. I want to learn how can I do this and this. Yeah. Yes, Alexandria Alexis. I really appreciate that I do inspire you. 4:30 unemployment claims today at 4:30. If you want to join our trading WhatsApp, we have a WhatsApp community, we have a Telegram community. The links are in bio. Wow, we are now shooting up. Did anyone enter? Flipper J, thanks for the likes. We are about to hit 10K. Oh, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. We're back to... So I have a problem with stop loss. They stop you out and they go to your direction. Yeah, that's a normal behavior. But if they do it so many times, it's not normal. Then there's a wrong thing in your system. You need to go back test it and improve on that. So if you see they always wick you out and maybe move like 3 pips and then reverse and take your TP out, then you need to add 3 pips to your SL to adjust your SL to avoid the stop hunts and that. Tap the screen. We are in gold buys. Gold buys. If you're buying gold, tap the screen. If you're not buying, you're selling, then this is not the live you should be on, because for us, we are buying. But yeah, maybe you should watch us become your liquidity. You should you should watch us become your liquidity. If that sounds nice to you. We also watch you become ours. Hi Zao. Hello Miracle. How are you? Long time. Sports boyfriend. Flipper J, thanks for the likes. Flipper J, nawe nkulaba ogenda kufuna premium ey'obwereere. Premium subscription ey'obwereere. Sports, tap the screen, like. You might stand a chance to win a free premium subscription for 1 month. So you can get these signals. I'm live currently. Let me show you the chats. Nawe nyimba nti siki. Nawe njogera Oluganda kubanga TikTok terutegeera. So kati you set up yaffe gye tufunye. Tubayingidde wano. Targets zaffe ziri wano. Stop loss egenda beera wano. Bw'oba oriskinzeemu kandabe wano. These are 11 pips. So ku 11 pips okozesa 0.01 ogenda losing at $11. Okozesa 0.1 ogenda losing $110. For my case, mumanyize nkozeseza 0.17 kubanga ninako omutwalo gwa $, and it's a real account. Zezo profits loss account ekyali loss kubanga entry yaffe eri awo nyini. So njagala gold yambuke up to this, like to confirm this one H candlestick confirms above this blue zone, then I will know that my TP is going to hit. Let me show you my TP. My TP is at yiyo. TP yange ya $5. $5 nga ntudde waka. Ani yali akozeeko $5 nga atudde mundage pozi omuferi. Hey Wall Street Bull, hello Oshok, how are you? Oshok, you're from Uganda and Rwanda. Tap the screen, let's go, let's get to 10k people. Let's get to 10k. Tap the screen. We are buying gold. Yeah, SL at 4202. Oh, 4202. Great work, Wall Street. Thank you, man. Thank you. I really appreciate. Yeah, you can help me go to YouTube, search FXAU, this right here, and subscribe. Keep the notifications on. We are live. You can see my MT5 and the money I'm floating. Also the setups, we made a top-down analysis. I'll have to do it again for you to see if it's going to. It's not working. Take a mkoko kana ka white. Johnson XM, I'm seeing some drops up to 4193. And 4193 decided. Ojawulira ka sound. 4193. Wow. For us, we are bullish, bro. I don't see any bearishness in the market. It was worked. But if it goes down, yeah, that's the market. It will hit you, it will give you money. We are used to it. Teri Mukola, bro. I downloaded MT5 on my PC, but it failed to work. Osho, which PC is that? I can help you out. You should tell me the model of the PC. Which meant PC compizikira. It was like 3%. I'm a trader, but of sick grade. Oh, bro, you need to work on your psychology. I have a trading bootcamp for psychology coming in. We were supposed to start this December, but I pushed it to next year. Sony, yeah. But I don't know about Sony. I use HP and MacBook. I've never used Sony. Which software does it use? Windows. It uses Windows. So guys on YouTube, I don't know, I'm going to have to let you go. In a few, I've given you the setup. I really don't want to stay on YouTube for a very long time. Giving you a setup, we're going to wait. It might hit in New York, it might hit TP in New York, but if it ranges around our SL or if it ranges in negative, you close it before New York starts. Yeah. If it's in profits and it's in good profits, you also close it before New York starts. So YouTube guys, you can head over to TikTok, but if you're on TikTok, just make sure you go and subscribe on YouTube as well. Search FXAU, then search Windows 10. Yeah, Windows 10, just go to Chrome, download the MT5 file, and then you install it. That's how easy it is. So Flipperje nayo wewangulidde VIP subscription for 1 month. You DM me right now on TikTok. DM me. I'm going to share you the link to the premium signals, and maybe you'll be a witness to these other guys. So tap the screen. Let's get to 10K likes. I love what the YouTube consistency. It's kind of catching up with TikTok. So I'm not going off. I'm going to stay for the next 30 minutes. We see how it goes. But just in case I go off, just know I'm off. Yeah, I don't want you guys to feel sad. You can always head over to TikTok, switch to TikTok, YouTube, whatever you find easy. Yeah, I'm going, bro. I'm live. How do you expect me to DM you right now? I'm going to work on you after the live. Just be patient. But I promise you have a live account, or if it's not a live account, you get a prop farm and start trading, actual trading with my signals. I don't want you to waste the opportunity. Use it. Use it with a good discipline and mindset. Only take what I share. Don't trade outside the signals. You're going to mess up the work. Yeah. If you want to trade, you can always deposit on another account and trade your stuff. But if you to take my signals, make sure you're going to trade my signals alone. On average, we don't take so much trades, just 1 trade a day, 1 to 2 trades a day. Yeah. So that's the discipline. So 1 by 1 makes a bundle. So after a month, that would be like 20 trades on average. And 20 trades, you might have like 5 losers and 15 winners. That's a crazy win rate. Yep. So make sure you stay consistent in every aspect of life if you want to achieve success. Big time. Hey, how are you? You don't have a name? But yeah, if you're here and you've not subscribed to FXAU on YouTube, make sure you subscribe. Keep the notifications on. And if you want to live trade with me daily, you just join the Telegram community so you don't miss out when I'm live. Also, if you keep the notifications on, you're going to be notified whenever I come live. Yep. We are buying gold. It's still on our entry. If you really want to join us, you can join and buy. SL is at 4200, TP 4248. That's a 3-hour trade. So if you're to join that trade, make sure you're willing to risk that amount. You're what you're trading. You get. Don't risk what you're not willing to lose. Yeah, trading is going to mess you up. We are not going to always win. We have losing days, we have winning days. YouTube, I'm really sorry. I'll have to go in the next 2 seconds. Let's meet on TikTok.